In today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make this angel wing sign. I got these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 8. And the first thing that I do is I fill that hole with some wood filler, and then I stick it to the side and let it dry. Then I take my wing transfer and apply it to my plaque sign. I picked this sign up at Walmart, I think over a year ago. I don't even think they have this particular one anymore, but they have other styles there that you could use. You could make your own. You could get some from Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's. It wouldn't be hard to find a plaque sign like this, or like I said, even make your own. So after I smooth it all out, make sure it's on there really good, I take my white paste and I start squeegeeing it all over the wings. And now my favorite part, removing the transfer. Look how good this is turning out. All right, so now I take my hearts and I paint one, this, I think it's called Vintage Rose by Dixie Belle Paint. I'm absolutely loving this color right now. And then I wanted to give the edges of my hearts some antique-y look, kind of distressed, like it'd been sanded down. So I take that ink stamp and I just start hitting the edges with it. Remember, start off lighter because you can always add more. Next, I hot glue my pieces together, and then I take my heart and I try to center it to my wings. I try and find the placement that I like, and then I'll hot glue my hearts to that part of the sign. And here she is, complete. You guys, I think this is one of my favorite projects so far. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave a link in the comments on where you can get this transfer, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.